You can call me monster.
Hey everyone, Sabrina here, and so I'm gonna do an unboxing of EXO's Lotto. So excited! So this is the box it came in. So yeah, so let me open it up. Okay, so I had to go get something to open it. So here it is. Oh, this is just my receipt. Flip it over. What's this? It's showing! Ooh, it's a little Nature Republic card. Ooh. Cute. So here it is, EXO Lotto. Okay, move that. Gotta move my keys. Move that in the way. So here's Lotto. It's the front. Side. Back. And there it has all the Lotto, Lucky One, Monster, can't bring me down. She's screaming. Okay, let me take off the little plastic. Okay, so here's Lotto. I took out the little plastic. It's made out of like the same material, Exacties. It looks exactly like Exact. Exact. Ooh. Looks like a little roulette. 88. Oh, it's their numbers. 12, 94, 21. Cute. And all their numbers here. Ooh. It's really dark. I should turn on the lights. Okay, the light's on, so it should be a little better. Look, there's Chan, Janelli, Lay, Shirin, Kai, Bekuni, Suho, Dio, Sehuni. Look at him. Look at him looking all cutesy. And then, oh, track list. Oh, hello. This track list right there. These are just lyrics. This is lyrics to let's take shots. Yeah, here are the lyrics to Lucky One, Monster, Artificial Lip, Can't Bring Me Down, Cloud 9, Heaven, She's Dreaming, White Noise, Lonely Nights, One and Only, They Never Know, Stronger. Is gonna kill me. Ah, Dio. I would get Dio though. Every day. What does that say? Every day. Shut up, baby. Right, this is Cheer Up, right? Aw. Cheer up, baby. Cheer up, baby. Okay, I'm gonna put Dio on the side. Oh, that's them running. Oh, the remix. I actually bought the remix on iTunes when it came out. No, I wasn't ready for that. Hello, Kai. Who gave you the right to wear mesh? Damn it, Lane. Wrecking up my bias, man. Ay, Chanyuli. Oop, he got an owie. Biksu. Chicken. Oh, let's Suho first. Hello, Suho. I'll move on to Jen.
미안 지켜주지 못해 미안해 잘 살길 바래 미안 너도 날 잊어줘 아프지 마 영원히 함께하던 그 약속 이제는 없는 거야 지켜주지 못해서 미안해
I am so sorry, Sehun. I meant Sehun, not Chan. I'm sorry. Shoot, Daddy. Damn. I'm kind. Beg you, need do it. I like. Why are you like this to me? Yeah. Recording me, recording you. Oh, you Chen. He's so cute. Why? A little genuinely. Shoot. Suho. I'm loving you. I'm loving this photo book. I really am. Oh, they look so cute. This is their teaser. Picture right there. Damn, them gambling boys.
Hey,
them playboys.
Playboy.
There's Chen. Cute. And Dio and Suho. I don't know why I said I was gonna say bacon. Oh, look at Dio. He's so cute. Boy, you need to stop. Soon. Look at the Adam's out. Yay. Lips are so big. Ah, Chanyoli. Good boy. Good boy. Sorry. I love this picture. We're matching today. Yay.
난 너고 넌 나야 마음이 닿다면 둘은 서로가 될 거야
Okay. This is Dio's teaser pic. Yeah. There you go. What you watching, boy? What you watching? And of course, say who. Doing the credits and all that good stuff. And thank you guys for watching my unboxing of Lotto. It looks different because my phone died and I had to go run some errands, so it's a little bit later, but I just wanted to film the ending, you know, so it's not like awkward or anything. So overall, album's really pretty, and you know, it's kind of similar to Exact, well, kind of almost identical except for, you know, like the pictures and everything. But it's understandable because it is a repackage, so it's not like a brand new comeback, so they're gonna keep it kind of similar. Anyway, so thanks guys for watching, and like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and
yeah, yeah.